What's up fellow geeks, Zaki here from Geek Culture, bringing you another fantastic unboxing video. And you guessed it right, it's iPhone season, baby! And what we have here is the iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13, the iPhone 13 Pro, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alongside, we have the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now I'm not gonna run through the specs because you've probably already seen that in other videos on YouTube, and of course the Apple event itself. Now what I am going to talk about is how it looks, how it feels, and compare them to the iPhone 12s. Now if you guys would like to skip ahead, we are going to add timestamps in the description below, so do skip ahead if you need to. Alright guys, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Let's open up the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. Now look at that. Wow! Check this out. Beautiful. I can see why people want the Sierra Blue. So let's take a quick minute and compare it with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now in terms of size, very similar. But you can probably tell that the iPhone 13 Pro Max has larger cameras than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And looking at the front of the phone, the placement of the speaker here is much higher towards the edge of the bezels right there. It's much wider as well compared to the iPhone 12. But the camera placement on the iPhone 13 is on my right side, while the iPhone 12 is on the left. So minute differences here, but we can expect the same out of the rest of the iPhone 13s as well. Now as you can tell, the edges of the screen still very similar. The only differences here is that the iPhone 13 Pro Max has 120Hz screen. Oh man, that is smooth. This video is brought to you by Circles Life, our preferred mobile carrier. What we love about Circles Life is having the flexibility and freedom to create your own bespoke mobile plan, be it more data or more talk time, and the ability to check your bill and balance on the fly with their easy-to-use mobile app. The best part about being a Circles Life member is that there are subscriber rewards all year round. Participate in activities and community challenges and be rewarded with bonus data and even free ice cream. But wait, there's more. If you use this code, get $30 waived off your bill and unlimited data for 3 months. That's a lot of data. With that out of the way, it's time to go back to the video. Let's go with the iPhone 13 Pro in gold. Very similar fashion to the Sierra Blue, but of course in gold. Even the bezels has a gold tint. Comparing the size of the Pro Max to the Pro, it's just a little bit shorter. Now comparing it to the iPhone 12, can you see the difference? It's very uncanny. You would have not known.
Camera's still bigger though, on the 13.
There you go, you spotted it. Now, the Pro edition of the iPhone 13s are different in terms of display. They are 120Hz, blazing fast, very smooth, and we can expect games to run at 120Hz on a higher frame rate settings. So, yeah. Let's move on to the iPhone 13 Standard. Okay, for this video's sake, we're gonna call it the Standard, and it comes in my favorite color, which is pink. And there's nothing emasculating about pink. I think it's a great color. And just to compare how it actually looks like in the packaging and how it looks like on the phone, it's gonna come off a little bit more whitish, but in our eyes, it's actually a pretty nice pastel-y pink. Now, comparing it, you will understand why there is a standard version and a Pro version. The Pro version being that it has 3 camera modules at the back of the phone, and the regular iPhone 13 has 2 camera modules. Now the third camera module is basically a telephoto lens. Comparing it to the iPhone 12, you can see that the placement of the cameras are different as well. On the iPhone 13, it's more diagonal, and on the iPhone 12, it's on a vertical position. Last but not least, let's move on to the iPhone 13 mini. This is the most exciting one for me because it's nice and petite. Very cute. Look at this, like it fits my whole palm, man. It's nice. It reminds me of the old iPhones when they weren't going so big. And this will be very handy. Man, it's so responsive right now. 4 variants of the iPhone 13 here. But take a look at that, guys. Man, I really wish we had the green. The green would have stand out so much. Apple, you know what's up? Get us green. Gotta show the people we need green. So, final thoughts. Which of these iPhones from the iPhone 13 lineup is for you? Well, let's look at 3 different factors here, starting with the 120Hz refresh rate. Now, these can only be found in the Pro models of the iPhone 13s, which is the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a great feature because a lot of the iPhone users really wish they had a 120Hz display. And this 120Hz display puts it on par with other flagship smartphones. Second of all is the new cinematic mode, which is available across all the models. Look, it doesn't matter whether you're a video professional, whether you're a content creator, or just want to record precious moments with your family. This new cinematic mode makes it easier to create highly stylized and more polished look on your videos. It's like having Hollywood in your pocket, man. Last but not least is the Apple ProRes lossy video compression for the 13 Pro models. That includes the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro. A little disclaimer here is that the 128GB storage option only gives you Apple ProRes at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Meanwhile, if you're gonna get the 256GB model and up, then you're gonna get Apple ProRes at 4K 30 frames per second. So that's one thing to take note of when you're getting any of these Pro models. What Apple has done here is, as the saying goes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now, it does share certain similarities with the iPhone 12 lineup, but that isn't a bad thing at all. It's more of the inner beauty of these phones, such as its upgraded hardware and its upgraded camera systems. So if you have any questions about any of these iPhone 13s, do let us know in the comments down below. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, it helps us a lot. Follow us on our social media pages right here. And until then, this is Zaki signing off. Woohoo!